Hi, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Let me tell you, this is not a grammar video. We are not going to discuss any English grammar in this video. In fact, this is going to be a fun video. We will have a little chit chat and also discuss what can be the first step that you should take to improve your English. And also, we will talk a little bit about my life, and also I will tell you what I did initially to improve my English. So watch the video up to the very end. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Soumya and welcome to my channel. Let's chat and learn, because the more you chat, the more you learn. So as you must have seen me in the thumbnail holding this book, but no, this is not a book review video. I'm not reviewing any book here. It's just I want to tell you some benefits of reading through this book. Yesterday only I finished reading this book, so I thought, why not share it with you? Although let me tell you, I'm not an avid reader. By the way, someone who's an avid reader loves reading. They are very eager to read. So I'm not that much fan of reading, but yes, I picked up this habit of reading because I wanted to improve my English. And trust me guys, it helped me a great deal in my spoken English. You know, after my schooling, I don't know what came over me. All of a sudden, I wanted to speak English. I just fell in love with this language. English was like music to my ear, and I just loved the language. I wanted to speak English so badly. And you know what I did initially to improve my English? I picked up some good beginner-friendly books to read. Yes, and they helped me a great deal. And if I can speak English, you can definitely speak English. And initially, it doesn't have to be a novel only. If you feel like reading is a bit hard for you, so for starters, you can pick up a comic book or a short story book, whatever suits you. It can also simply be a blog on food or traveling, whatever interests you, whatever suits you, you should start reading it. Now, I know a lot of people say that the first thing you should do to improve your English is watch English movies. But trust me, if you right away jump on watching English movies, so it will be really hard for you to understand that foreign accent. And if you keep on reading subtitles and pause the movie every time you come across a new word or phrase or idiom and then look for its meaning in the dictionary, then it will take away all the fun of watching the movie, and you will be like, I quit. I don't want to watch English movies. So reading is the best option. Reading is the most fun and effective ways that can help you improve your English language skills. And reading not only improves your English and expands your vocabulary, but it also keeps you entertained as you get to read some really wonderful stories. Now, speaking of stories, let's come back to the book that I was talking about. So here is the book. It's called I Hid My Voice. Now let me tell you, yesterday only I finished reading this book and I just loved reading this book. The book is so captivating. By the way, something that is captivating is very, very interesting. So the book is so captivating that you won't feel like putting it down. Once you start reading this book, you feel like keep on turning the pages of this book and you won't be feeling like putting it down, because the book is so interesting. And let me tell you, the writing style of this book is very easy. Trust me, it is very easy. So this book is like a treat for beginners. The story is amazing, and the writing style, the language and English, everything is so easy that anybody can read this book. So it is a story of this boy. Here is the boy. His name is Sahib, and he's a cute little 4-year-old boy. So the boy is mute. That means he cannot speak. But the way the writer has described the events that took place in the book are just so amazing. So the story mainly revolves around this 4-year-old boy called Sahib. And let me also tell you that he's very naughty in the book. The kind of things he does in the books, they are just unbelievable. You won't believe a 4-year-old can do such a thing. And because he cannot speak, that is why he was always made fun of by his siblings and cousins. They called him dumb, and initially he did not know the meaning of this word, so he took it as a compliment. Later on, when he finds out that this word means stupid or idiot or somebody who cannot speak, he becomes very furious, very angry. He felt like only problematic kids like him are loved by their mothers, and some brilliant kids like his older brother, who is a brilliant student, are loved by their fathers. His grandmother also called him retarded every time she saw him. So all these things, made him so angry, so furious. And that is why he shows everybody the worst of him. He starts planning childish revenge on the people around him. And from there, the story becomes so interesting and amazing. You should definitely read this novel. I recommend reading this novel. And because the writing style and everything is very easy, it's a beginner's friendly book, you can definitely read it and also improve your English. So it's a win-win, right? And gradually this reading will become a habit of yours and you will start loving reading. And now this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you liked watching this video because I loved making this video. I just loved this little chit chat, little talk with you. And I really hope that you learned something new from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy reading. Bye bye.